Governor Gavin Newsom recently signing the Freedom to Read Act, lessening restrictions in California libraries. However, critics say parents should be the ones deciding which books their children have access to.
Our Brianna Bias is live in studio now to explain why some call the law government overreach. Brianna.
Emily, Eric, the California Freedom to Read Act would overturn Fresno County's Parents Matter Act. That local legislation lets parents decide which books belong in children's sections. But local LGBTQ advocates say it leads to censorship, and they're glad the governor is stepping in.
It's been 1 year since the Parents Matter Act passed in Fresno County, giving parents control over the kinds of books their children can grab at the library.
It's a county situation. It's going to take a county solution.
Now it could be overturned.
It's another attempt from Sacramento to take away local control of government.
Fresno County's act moved books deemed inappropriate by parents out of the children's sections. Many of the books they complained about were LGBTQ related.
47% of the proposed book bans in the nation targeted the LGBTQ plus and the BIPOC community. And so basically what they're trying to do is erase the knowledge and the history of our communities from public libraries.
Chris Jarvis, along with advocates all over the state, supported Assembly Bill 1825 this year, known as the California Freedom to Read Act. It requires libraries to explain to the state why they restrict certain literature, and they can't restrict books just because they discuss sexuality or race.
I think the parents should have ultimate control. I think when it comes to these very sensitive matters especially, we need to leave those decisions in the hands of the parents.
Which parents? I mean, are you leaving it up to the parents that don't want their kids to know about queer people? Or are you leaving it up to the parents that do want their kids to know about queer people?
Governor Gavin Newsom signed the Freedom to Read Act this year, and it will go into effect in January of 2026, overturning Fresno County's Parents First policy. That is, unless Fresno County sues.
Now we have an ultimate decision. Do we fight the state of California here in Fresno County, or do we go and create a legal battle? But quite frankly, in Fresno County, we're not into wasting money. We're not going to fight a fight that we can't win.
Brandow says even though they passed the Parents Matter Act a year ago, they didn't actually end up moving very many books out of the children's sections. That's because they knew the Freedom to Read Act was coming. In studio, I'm Brianna Bias, KC24, local news that matters.